Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can re-edit your Odoo website. So let's get right into it. Now to re-edit it, what you're going to need to do is, of course, you should have the website module enabled on your dashboard. And once you go into that module, you will very easily be able to edit it. Now, as you can see, I've already made some edits, and if you just want to re-edit it, you can just click edit in the top right, and that is going to enable you to make any changes necessary. Now, if I go here, as you can see, my undo and redo options are not available simply because this has already been saved and published. So if you're gonna make changes or undo any previous changes, I do recommend you keep a change log to make sure that you have all the information of what's been implemented in the previous uploads or publish cycles. And once you have that log, you can very easily just trace what you've added and remove it. So for example, I know that I've added this button previously, so let me just go ahead and try and delete it, and it's not working because I'm not sure why. So let me just change it back, and if I click on that button, I should be able to delete it. There we go. And I'm pretty sure that if I click remove link, it's just going to remove the link, but I'm not sure exactly why. Let me try delete it now. Really not sure why I can't delete it, and now I have two buttons for some reason. Really not sure why this is happening, but it is what it is. But yeah, just remove any sort of changes you would like to, and then once you're done, just click save in the top right. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.